One thing I learned that'll stick with me for forever is the value of collaboration and understanding what it means to truly write a song with somebody. There's a beautiful sense of community that comes with kind of letting all the egos aside and being in a room and creating something together.
Honestly, my favorite memories being here are when class is over, just going down into the studios and getting to work with my classmates. You know, we always make something organic every day, something new, something that didn't exist before, and I got those guys to thank for it, and I got 1500 to thank for linking me up with those guys.
Consistently, working with my fellow students, or I would say jamming out in the front, just because we come up with such dope sounds, and we're always wanting to work with each other, so that energy is always great to feed off of and just be around all the time.
All the influence that I've been able to gauge from other people, I feel like it's affected how I approach making music though, so that's also really cool.
I don't know. It depends on the emotion, because there's been crying days, there's been euphoric days, there's been breakthrough days. I don't know, there's so many great memories.
I'd say there's different times of seeing my classmates have breakthroughs that have been my favorite memories.
But also the day of my breakthrough, I think that's number one for me. My breakthrough was really important for me, and I feel like I sung how I never thought I could sing before on stage or in front of people. So yeah.
My favorite memory from my time here was during the vocal performance class. There was a song that had kind of rang true for me personally throughout my childhood, both in the lyrics and with memories that I've kind of attached to it. And I performed it in front of the class and got a little bit emotional. And I think that was the first time that I had really been able to marry sort of my vulnerability as a person and my artistry together. It was the first time that I had felt really seen, not just as a musician, but as a human being.
And honestly, so many times of us singing together has just been really special. We did that a lot the first 3 months.
Wow, there's so many memories. I think the takeaway for me is honestly the songs that all of the students performed. I think I will have their performances and my performances in my heart forever.
I would also say our first night playing at Townhouse Venice was really, really magical to just see us all outside killing it, troubleshooting together, figuring out what to do. It was just oh snap, we're real DJs, this is crazy. So that's definitely top.
Is the first time I played a song in the songwriting class because Alex was there. And it was the first time Alex had ever heard any of my music before, and I played something that I didn't really know what the reaction was gonna be, but the reaction that I felt from the room just gave me this crazy confidence. And to hear and to see on everyone's faces that they liked what I was playing, I'm oh, okay, I must be doing something right. So I think that's probably it.
I think my favorite memory, which is also a time I learned from, is when we had all of our guest teachers come in. We had all these amazing guest teachers come in and help us sing, and watch them not only teach you how to sing better, but raising your confidence and giving you that I believe in you energy. And those are the things that I remember.
One thing I learned from 1500 Sound Academy that will stick with me forever is knowing my skills. Any room I'm in, knowing your skills is going to help you even like that. So yeah, know your skills.
My favorite memory from my time here was probably getting to go over to Volume and sing with my classmates in the studio, where as a collective, we as a class had the opportunity to sing for an artist on his new album, and that was an amazing experience.
I think maybe the day that we did the 2 Chainz record, I think that was that was a great day.
I think my favorite memory while being here has been all the times that Not Like Us has played and everybody is just same brain cell and ended up upstairs jumping around like hooligans. That's gotta be.
They not like us, they not like us, they not like us. They not like us, they not like us, they not like us. You think They gon' let you disrespect Pop, nigga. I think that Oakland show will be your last stop, nigga. They cold foul, I don't know why you still pretending. What is the hour? Bird niggas and bird bitches, go. The audience not dumb, shape the stories how you want. Hate right there, not slow. Rabbit hole is still deep, I can go further, I promise. Ain't that something be ready?
So the most fun that I've had in a while. It's like a mosh pit, but it's people that you know.
The team here is so small but mighty and like tight knit. And I just want to shout out every single person who envisioned this, who gets up every morning and facilitates a really positive, creative environment for us to come into.
It has been such a wonderful journey with each and every one of you. I have told everyone that will listen to me how amazing it is that I get to listen in on everyone's performances and just see them like flourish and grow in their own journey in music. I am just so excited that I get to be a part of it with you all, and I can't wait to see what's next for each and every one of you, because I know every one of you is a star.
Honestly, they gave me a family that I never would have had. I come from a kind of hard upbringing. I'm an orphan. I've been an orphan since I was like 2 years old. I grew up in an orphanage. I never kind of got adopted and kind of just went through that whole thing with a house of women and children. And to end up here in Cali and be going to 1500 is like a dream. I've always been watching James and Rance, and to realize that it was just a place for, you know, like-minded people to get together and actually work and kind of confirm different ideas. It's been such a blessing. I'm just like, it's one of the best decisions I ever made in my life, man.
Biggest journey, what can I tell? It's just like, it's been a year here. I got here with a dream just to write a few songs, and right now it's something that happened. The dreams come true. This is 1500 Academy.
To the very first vocal performance and production class here at the one and only 1500 Sound Academy. I love you guys. Wait.
I love y'all to pieces. Like, y'all, you did it. We out here.
I'm so proud of you. I remember seeing all of us on the first day. And if you were in my class, you remember what I said the first day. Y'all gonna be better than me. And I'm gonna be number one.
To my graduating class, we in this bitch. That's all.
To my graduating class, I love you, I love you, I love you. I'm so happy that we had the opportunity to share this time together. I'm so grateful for how we've been a part of each other's lives in different ways, in the school as well as outside of the school.
No matter where we go in life, I'm going to hold you dear, very close and dear to my heart. And I'm always going to remember these experiences with you, all the tears, all the crying moments, because y'all know I love a good cry. But yeah, I want greatness for all of us. I want all of our dreams to manifest in the most abundant and prosperous way.
I only see great things in everyone's future. I'm so proud of you, and I can't wait to see what you do next.
Thank you guys for all being so welcoming and supportive and not making things awkward every time we ask questions. Thank you guys for just making the whole place feel like a safe and home environment. I appreciate you guys way more than you know. I love being in this class with you guys, and thank you for just all the knowledge you guys have given me as well as Jamie.
To my classmates, thank you all so much for pushing me and not allowing me to stay in my musical shell, because sometimes I want to fall back into that, but nobody lets me do it. So I really just want to say thank you, and I can't wait to see what all of you guys create.
1500 class of 2024, I would like to say I appreciate every single one of you guys that were there. I appreciate every connection that was made, everything that we have made in the process of being here, and what we will continue to make, because I see us, you know, growing in an insurmountable way that's like just beyond the stratosphere, you know?
I genuinely think that I have been made a better person with all of you around me. Just all of the different perspectives and all of the different walks of life that you come from. I'm mesmerized by all of them. I'm so thankful that I've been able to meet all of you?
I'm grateful for the time I had with all of my peers. I've learned so much about myself and about my craft. I'm really appreciative of like the time and care that is put in by everyone who attends and who works here. Everybody's so lovely, and I'm gonna miss you all.
To my graduating class, you guys have, let me not get emotional, damn. You guys have changed my life and taught me so much. And I feel so blessed and grateful to have had the opportunity to grow and to work with all of you and to watch you guys grow. It's been the greatest gift and an honor and a privilege, and I hope to all get back in the studio and make some music again.
I thank everybody that I met, from Nato to Hunter to Amari, everybody in between. I love you guys. I appreciate everything that we've been able to experience together. And yeah, let's keep it rocking. Let's keep it going.
Congratulations, y'all. We did that. We really did that. I'm just so proud of us. I remember coming in here on the first day and seeing everybody and just see how we have all grown into ourselves has been amazing. Let's channel this energy and keep the momentum up. Like, just because we are done with this program does not mean that we are letting our foot off the gas. Like, I'm expecting to see all y'all outside performing, you know what I mean? Like, let's really do this thing together and let's take the world by storm and keep believing in ourselves.